Hello, this is Ashi from Crafting with Ashi and welcome to this card. Welcome to this video rather. This is the card we're making today. It's a very simple thank you card. Okay, so let's get started. Supplies you're going to need initially is your card base. So this is Night of Navy. So this is a standard A6 card base. That's an A4 sheet cut in half and then folded in half. And then I've got next a piece of designer series paper, and this measures 14.35 centimeters by 10 centimeters. And we're just going to stick this down to our card base. Okay, just centering it as best as possible. Okay, and then I've got a piece here of the same designer series paper but different pattern, and this piece measures 10 centimeters by 7.5 centimeters. Okay, and we're just going to stick this down on the one side, just trying to get it all properly lined up, a bit like that. Okay, so we're going to set that aside now and do some stamping. So I've got a piece here of Whisper White, and this measures, what does this measure? 4 centimeters by 11 centimeters. And we're just going to be doing stamping with this stamp set called Ornate Thanks. So we're going to be using this one that says thank you, and stamp it in Night of Navy ink. Okay, and I'm just going to take the ink pad to the stamp because it's a large stamp, and this way I can see that I've got everything properly inked up. And I'm just going to use my grid paper to line everything up, and because it's a photopolymer stamp you can see straight through, so you can see where you're stamping. And I'm just going to go down, hold it, and then up, and made a boo-boo out of that. So let's try it again. That's why we've got two sides to a piece of cardstock. Line it up. Yeah, perfect. Okay, so second time lucky. Close up our ink pad, and I've got another piece of designer series paper here from the same set again, and this measures 10 centimeters by no, it doesn't, it measures 12 centimeters by 5 centimeters. So we're going to stick this down, so a bit of snail on the back, and we're just going to center this top and bottom and left to right. Okay, like that. And then we're going to put some dimensionals on the back here. This is when, if you've got edges, they really do come into their own, because then you don't have to be taking so many backings off your dimensionals. And as you know, I'm quite generous with mine. Okay, so now I'm just going to get all of these backings off. Of course they're going to go everywhere, because they always do, because they've got some sort of, because they do have a static to them, they will stick to your skin, to your clothes, to pretty much anything, you know, except where you want them to go, obviously, you know, that's the law, isn't it, you know, never go where you want them to go, but they'll go everywhere else. Okay, so bring back our card base, and then we're going to just stick this down in the center, something like that, except I've not got it straight. Like that, and that's still not straight. Oh dear, it's one of those days, I think, you know. It'll do like that. And then finishing touches, we're going to use some of these Happiness Blooms enamel dots. And we're going to be using these ones. These are actually blueberry bushel, but you know, they still match perfectly with this paper. Okay, so that's the one we just made, that's the one we made before. I think they're really nice thank you cards. I hope you like them. If you did, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know, and don't forget to subscribe to future projects. If you want any information about this project, supply list, etc., it'll be on the blog post, and the links to that and all my social media links are in the description box below. So thank you once again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye.